What's up everyone, you're welcome back to the channel. Like I promised in my previous video, in today's video I will show you how to link your payment method to your WhatsApp e-commerce site. Alright, you are doing all this on your smartphone. So if you want to accept payments on your WhatsApp store, that's your e-commerce store, fast and with ease, then this video is for you. You've got to watch it to the end and get the best out of it. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Now what you have to do is to come to payments. All right, when you open your WhatsApp app, this is the dashboard. All right, this is how the dashboard would look like. Now this is one of my sites, my e-commerce store. So you just have to come to payments. All right, when you come to payment, just tap on it, and from the menu that will load, you come down to Paystack. All right, we will be linking Paystack. Now if you don't have Paystack account created already, you can just go to Google and do that quickly. All right, you can just go to Google and search Paystack, paystack.com. Okay, so when you get to paystack.com, you don't need anything much to register. All right, you just have to register as a starter business. Okay, take notes, it is very easy. Register as a starter business. So by so doing, you are not required to register your business before registering or creating the Paystack account whereby you can use it to receive payments. Okay, so you just have to register as a starter business. If you choose the other option, it will require you to submit documents showing that you've actually registered your company with your country. Okay, so just go ahead and choose the starter business, and when you choose the starter business, you only be required to provide some of your details to verify your account. All right, note, when you create an account first, it will be in a test mode. Take note, it will be in the test mode until you verify with all the documents needed. All right, your address, that's the most important thing, your address, and a document showing that this is your real address, like your bank statement and electricity bill and the rest. All right, so these are the things that you need to just verify your account, and you are good to go. The remaining are just your name and everything. I already have a Paystack account. Like, I would like to show you how to create it, but then it is not anything. Just follow the step and you are good to go. All right, so WhatsApp, and you click on the payment method. All right, when you tap on a payment, and it take you to the options available over here, and you choose Paystack, just is to tap on configure. All right, so when you tap on configure, options will show and you have to enable Paystack. So let's tap on it and see. So you first of all have to tap on enable. All right, so you have the names over here, Paystack, and the description. By default it will be card, bank account, bank transfer, USSD, Visa, QR, mobile money. All right, now let me just clear these things up over here. These things are from one of my Paystack accounts. All right, these are the most important things over here: the publishable key and the secret key. Now this is what you have to do. You have to go to your Paystack account and locate these keys. All right, just copy them and come and paste them right here, and you are good to go. So let me go to my Paystack account and check it out for you quickly. Okay, so I'm in my Paystack account. All right, I've not activated my account. Okay, it is still in a test mode. So if I go to my dashboard, you will see that it is still in a test mode. Okay, right here at the top here, test mode, it means it is not ready to accept payment yet. All right, when you verify all your details, your account will change to live. All right, so what I'm coming to show you right now, you do the same thing after verifying your account. All right, when your account is in, take notes, I'm repeating this, when your account is in test mode, you can't use it to receive payment. until your account is live. You can't use it to receive payment. So make sure you verify your account before you proceed with the steps that I'm going to show you next. Okay, so now when you come to Paystack, all right, just go to settings, come down to settings. All right, come down to settings. So when you are at settings, what you have to do is just tap on it. Once you tap on settings, just scroll back, okay, then come to API keys. Okay, come to API keys and webhooks. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see some keys. Okay, now you can see this thing in red over here. It's showing that these keys are for testing only. Okay, they are for testing only. Please do not use them in production, meaning when you use them you not receive payment. They are just for testing only. All right, so here is it. You have to copy test secret key and the test public key. Go back to WhatsAsh, then paste these keys. So first off, let me just show this, and I'll copy it. I'm copying the test secret key first, so it should copied. All right, so I'm just going back to my WhatsApp and I'll come and paste this. Okay, so I'll go back to payment again. Tap on enable, then come to the test key. Now if you realize I've already pasted this in over here, okay, but for the sake of this tutorial, let me just paste it again so that you see it. All right, so this is it right here, and the publishable key too, I've copied it and I've pasted it. All right, note these tests are for these two keys. They are the test ones. All right, until your Paystack account goes live, you are not to use it, because if you use these two you will not receive payment. So you have to verify your account and your account to be live, that's ready for payments. Okay, now the webhook, the inscription written below it is what? Place this webhook in your account. Okay, your account configuration. Payment won't be confirmed if you've not set up this. So you just have to copy this from here. Okay, copy it, tap on copy. Once you copy it, you go back to Paystack. You go back to Paystack and paste it in a webhook session. All right, if you realize I've already pasted it over here, this is it. Okay, but let me just paste it again for the sake of this tutorial so that you get to see it. So here is it. So payment provider, Paystack. Okay, so this is a webhook that will enable you to receive payment. That's if your account is live. This is what will enable you to receive payment once someone tap on your details via the WhatsApp e-commerce store. So let's go back to WhatsApp. Okay, so this thing, there are two things that you have to do at a go. Okay, so you come to payment again. All right, then you go ahead with the Paystack configuration. So once you have all these things in place, okay, once you have all these things in place, you can go ahead. Now we have the test mode here, test mode for WhatsApp. All right, so let me just enable the test mode to see if it will appear on my WhatsApp e-commerce. All right, so I'll just tap on test mode, then I'll save it. Once I save it, I'll go back to my WhatsApp platform, the store for that matter, and see if it will appear at the checkout. All right, so I'll just tap on save. Great, it has been saved successfully. That's what the Paystack has been enabled. So I'll just go to my store. So the store is serenwas.b. So I'll go to this store. This store is also not set up fully yet. It's just for educational purpose only. So I have something in cart already, so I'll just go to my cart and let's say I want to continue shopping. So I'll just do that and see. Great. You can see payment mode, pay stack, and what you can use to pay is your bank card, your bank account, bank transfer, USSD, Visa QR, mobile money, and the rest. So these are my details. Once I continue with the payment, once I tap on continue, they will let me fill some other forms and I'll be good to go. So basically, this is how to link your Paystack account to your WhatsApp e-commerce store. And please take note of the webhook, the secret key, and the public key. All right. Like I said, let your account go live before you apply these things. All right. Let your Paystack account be verified before you apply, before you copy the 10 secret keys and paste them in your WhatsApp. If you do not verify your account, any payment from WhatsApp will not go through. All right, you will not receive the payment until you verify your account and copy the verified test keys, that's the secret keys and the public keys, and paste them in your WhatsApp e-commerce. All right, so those are the things that you need to do. Once you are done with that, you are good to go. So I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Let's go.